This my booth. These people are cool.
Yeah, brother.
With some dudes too, but over here we have a phenomenon. 2 girls with RC cars. So who's gonna win? I think we are. So ready? We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! We have the champion of the sand drags. He's doing things more. Hey! Let's go! The guy in the white.
You're gonna take more than one.
Say yay for sand drag!
Found it.
Say heck yeah!
The back. Shoot.
Dude, you want some goggles or something?
I'm good. I'm not gonna look.